Alright, picked this up on eBay. I got a pretty good deal on this. It says, please handle with care. Seller wrapped this up. We're going to open her up and I'll show you what we got here. Opened up. Okay, get it opened up. Here we go. Now we got a bubble wrap. Plastic in here. Okay, this is a 1990, 20 bucks. Well, I paid $12.75. And $7.80 shipping, so I paid $12.55 for this. No, $20.55. Excuse me, $20.55. I seen these going for $19.99 plus about $10 shipping. I seen one for $49, and I seen one for $68. So I got this for $20.55. The first one I lost a bid on. It was like $19.99. I lost a bid on that. This is a 1990 Hess Tanker Truck. This is 27 years old, this truck. This was never opened or used. I'm going to open it up now. Just want to look it over. I didn't have a tanker truck in my collection. And I'm looking it over. Very good shape. So that's what we got. We got the 1990 Hess Tanker Truck from eBay. Go in my collection. Okay, I'll talk to you later.